How beautiful is that? These flowers are awesome. Here I am, standing at the newest town square in the Villages, Florida. The town square of Eastport. One of my subscribers asked me to video some new homes here at the village of Water's Edge, and that's how you cross the street. You push the button and you wait. And I'm going to show you some new construction. I'm going to take you on a walking tour. Here I am standing on Central Parkway. For those new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tim. I bring you villages related content. Feel free to share these videos with anybody who is interested in the Villages. The Villages is a 55 plus community located here in Central Florida. It is the fastest growing community in America. It is the safest community in the state of Florida. And right beyond that wall, the Water's Edge sign and the wall, you will see a lot of new homes being constructed. And one of my subscribers asked me to take a walk and show those new homes and the construction of those new homes. This is one of the newest villages in the Florida, the village of Water's Edge. It is located across the street from Eastport Town Square. And I will take you on a walking tour to show you some of the new homes being constructed. And there are a lot of them, by the way. Stay tuned. That's a beautiful live oak tree with Spanish moss. And one of my subscribers asked me to do a video on the new homes being built on Norman Run and Cheryl Cooper Trail, which is right over there. That is a construction zone. I cannot walk into that construction zone. So I decided to do a video from the golf cart path. This golf cart path will go all the way around these new homes. And until the Villages releases those homes, I will have to video those brand new homes being constructed from the golf cart path. I did zoom in for you, and hopefully you can see. I will give you a closer view of these homes. There are a lot of homes going in here. I see patio villa homes being built. I see designer homes being built. And here is the first set of designer homes located adjacent to Central Parkway. And that is Central Parkway right there. Feel free to share the videos with anybody you feel is interested in villages related content. This is interesting. There is cement blocks being used to create a foundation for this home right here. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in owning a home essentially across the street from the Eastport Town Square. I know a lot of people like to be in close proximity of the town squares. And real estate individuals, salespeople have told me that your home values do go up if you live within 10 minutes of a town square. That is a beautiful park over there. That is awesome. That is Eastport. They are building Eastport up. These appear to me to be designer homes. You can see they have done a very good job with landscaping in this area. And as soon as these homes are released, I will bring you video content of these homes a little bit closer up. But this does appear to be their next hot spot. I think these homes are in a very desirable location, so close to the town square. You might hear the bands playing, though, if you live in this neighborhood. If you like the video content, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Here's a community, it looks to me, of patio villas. These are wood frame patio villas located right next to these designer homes. You can see people are driving around in those communities. There's a car. But that community is in a construction zone. That is a patio villa neighborhood right over there. These are bamboo plants here, by the way. And they grow really fast, and they require a lot of maintenance. You have to trim these bamboo plants very often if you have one in your yard. That's why some villagers don't like to have those in their yard. But if you have a palm tree, they also grow really quickly, and you have to trim them 2 or 3 times a year for sure. So here is a patio villa neighborhood. Right there. Actually, it looks like cottage homes. My guess is that's going to be a cottage villa neighborhood. This home here on the end looks like a cottage home. That home over there on the end looks like a patio villa. Let me know in the comments below if you know if these are patio villas or cottage homes. I think they're cottage homes. But these homes are all in the same general vicinity as Norman Run and Cheryl Cooper Trail. This is a very large area. They are building a lot of homes here. And I am walking, essentially I'm walking from the village of Water's Edge all the way over to the village of Shadybrook. I wanted to give you a close-up view of what that looks like. Lots of foundation forms going in here. is large power wires running through here. Yeah, those are cottage homes, I believe. Looks like a golf course over there. Those look like patio villas there. I mentioned in other videos the villages builds, I believe, between 3,000 and 4,000 homes per year. It is the fastest growing community in America, according to the 2022-23 statistical analysis done, population. It's the safest community in Florida. It's very popular. People want to live here. That is Central Parkway. One day this is going to be the center of the villages, so there's going to be a lot of construction of homes going south of here. Somebody told me one time they have enough land purchased to develop for the next 18 years. That's a lot of land and a lot of development. So do the math, take 3,000 or 4,000 homes a year times 18 years. And there you have it. Here they have wood framed walls going up. Looks like 2x4 walls. That is a fire station, and that, what you see in front of you, is the entry gate to the village of Shadybrook. I believe this is the area that my subscriber asked about right here. The area of Norman Run and Cheryl Cooper Trail. That is the area you're inquiring about. Unfortunately, I cannot go in there. There are no trespassing signs. There's even barbed wire here. That's a good sign that you shouldn't be walking around in the villages or in that area. They have barbed wire with a yellow ribbon on it. Just so you know where we are. Marsh Bend Trail off to the right. Middleton straight. Landstone Boulevard path straight. These golf cart tunnels in the south are a lot taller, a lot higher, a lot more clearance than the golf cart tunnels in the north. They're probably twice as tall, twice as big. Fire Station 46 right over there. This is the entrance gate to the village of Shadybrook. This is a very busy entrance gate. If you live in this area, please exercise caution. Welcome to the villages. Village of Shadybrook.